My name is Adhiraj Rana. I am a UN volunteer. I am in class 7th in Bombay Scottish School. I was only a 10-year-old when I came to this village. My sister had adopted a nearby village, so I just got jealous and I planned to adopt this one. So that's when the journey started. We have reached Jaturji Wali. This is the way we entered it. This is the primary school. All the houses are in red and the roofs are in yellow. In 2012, we came here and we set up a volleyball court for the youth over here. They were very happy after we did that. It was a nice experience getting my hands dirty and doing something for the children. After the baseline survey, we found out that the electricity here only comes for 2 to 3 hours. We thought that it would be a good idea to distribute solar lamps. As there were 55 houses in this village, so we distributed one lamp to each family. We set up a mobile health camp for the people who are suffering from various diseases, and as UN volunteers we registered their names and we saw which medicine was given to them so we could make a record of it. We distributed cycles to the girls who had to walk at least 7 to 8 kilometers to study. Next, we set up 5 computers for the children to encourage them to get educated and have fun.
आज हम एक नाटक पेश करेंगे जो बताएगा स्वच्छ वातावरण का महत्व।
मच्छर हूँ मैं, मच्छर। तुझे भी काटूंगा। मच्छर हूँ मैं, बीमारी फैलाता हूँ मैं, सड़े हुए पानी में पैदा हो जाता हूँ मैं।
मुझे पहचानो। मैं हूँ मच्छरों का डॉन, चिकनगुनिया, सबको काटूंगा।
मैं हूँ मलेरिया का मच्छर, मैं यहाँ सभी को काटूंगा, इसको काटूंगा, उसको काटूंगा और उसको काटूंगा। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आप सब की तरह ही होती थी, पर सिर्फ एक मच्छर ने काट के मेरा मृत्यु हो गया। मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं अपनी जगह साफ नहीं रखती थी। मेरे पास कूड़ादानी होता था, इसलिए मच्छर आके मुझे काट के मेरी मृत्यु हो गई।
सब लोग। Hi Ramesh, how are you?
आज पहले दिन ये चेयर से बाहर आया है और गांव देख रहा है। अभी दुकान पे आके उसने चॉकलेट भी लिया, चॉकलेट खा रहे हैं बच्चे लोग, चॉकलेट खिला रहे हैं उनको। और जो अभी मेरे को भी अच्छा लगा कि मैं 5 साल से पहले आया था ये गांव में, तभी मैं देखा कि रमेश ऐसा है, उसको कुछ देना चाहिए, हेल्प करना चाहिए। लेकिन आज ये सपना पूरा हो गया मैडम की और आनंद विकास के माध्यम से। धन्यवाद।
When we came to the village today, we went for a transit walk and then we went up the hill. Then we saw the aerial view of the village. We came down and then we saw the problems around. And after the resource mapping, we organized a street play. And in the street play, we all acted about how health is very important for us and how malaria and all can be very infectious.
Hi, I'm Pankri. I'm from Mumbai. I'm 11 years old and I'm in 5th standard. I've come to a village first time and I've enjoyed here a lot. People who live here are really needy and we've given them books, toothbrush, toothpaste and many more stuff.
My name is Rahul Bajaj. I'm a UN volunteer. Out here when I came in, we had a play
and then we had to make a map with some colorful powders, a map of the full village. Like we had to, like we went up to the hill and we saw the village, and then we had to come down and make the map. Hi, my name is Sania and I'm from Mumbai. And my age is 11 years old. I study in Bombay Scottish School. So first we went to the hand pump and we saw lots of puppies and chickens. There are lots of puppies and chickens out here. And we went to a stream which had crabs and prawns. And we caught some of them and then we left them. And then we came back and we made a skit, and then after the skit we talked about how to keep hygiene in the village and all.
Hi, my name is Molika and I'm 15 years old and I'm a UN volunteer, and we came to this village to just help people and educate them and teach them basic things about health and hygiene. So this was the first time I actually came to a village to help. So this was a really different experience because I didn't come here for my own purpose, and it was very selfless to see others be happy and smile. So I felt really satisfied and good within. And we gave a wheelchair to the person named Ramesh, who wasn't lucky enough to have legs like us. And we took him around, and when we heard that he hadn't been out since 18 years, it was really bad. So then we just took him around, and he was really happy about it. So were his parents and grandparents.
I feel good that I helped him.
I plan on coming to this village again very frequently because I know that coming here is the best service I can do to anybody.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Adhiraj Rana, a very young volunteer of this country.